Hi, Rahman here, back with another tutorial. So today we'll be seeing how to combine Windows 10 and Windows 11 with the single ISO file, which can be used to provision your VMs. Let's get into the video. So I have Windows 10 ISO file and Windows 11 ISO file edition. So initially we would require these two simple commands, Dism commands, to get the image info get the image info, and this second command will be used to export the image to the destination. This is with run as administrator. So here first I will be extracting Windows 10. So here right click, open with Windows Explorer. So we have opened here. So inside this, just enter sources. Okay, go to sources, check for install.vim. So here is a file. Just hold the control shift, right click, copy as path, open the command prompt. Okay, so uh, here now you need to use this command, discover get image info and image file. This is the location of the file. So here we are going to take the Windows 10 ISO. This go to resources, right click on the install.vim by clicking control shift right click, uh, copy as path. So here you can able to see 4.58 GB is the size of this Vim file. So enter this. So remove the double quotes. Okay, so here you can see list of Windows editions. So edition, we have index 1, Windows 10 home, Windows 10 home n. So like this we have 11 Windows 10 edition. Okay, so here we are going to, right now we are planning to do in this video Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so that is the index 6 we will be extracting. Okay, so let's use the second command. So remove the double quotes. Okay, so go to the next line, source index, so which we are going to export. So we are going to export index number 6, which is Windows 10 Pro. Let's type 6. So destination image file, so where we are going to export this, so that we will plan now. So in order to export that one, I have created Windows 10 Pro folder here. Okay, just copy this path, paste it here. Okay, slash in the name of install.vim. Okay, so once this is done, click enter. So the deployment image servicing and management tool will be starting to export the image, Windows 10 image. So you can able to see now the operation completed successfully. So the image 10 has been extracted. So similar way we will be doing one more. So what we'll do, we'll eject this Windows 10 ISO. Okay, so we have ejected the Windows 10 ISO. Now we will select the Windows 11 edition. So open with Windows Explorer. So similarly we will be seeing this folder and go to sources of Windows 11 ISO, search for install.vim file. So here it is. Just right click, copy as path. Need to select the path, image file path, give enter. So here for Windows 11, similarly like Windows 10, we can able to see the indexes the different edition of Windows 11 from home to till 11. So 11 editions we have on Windows 11. So similarly we are going to take Windows 11 Professional Edition here. So we are going to export the Windows 11 Pro Edition here. So that is index 6. Now use the second command. So remove the double quotes from it. So index will be same 6 to export the Windows 11 edition Pro edition. So destination image file will be selecting one of the path. Okay, maybe we'll select Windows 11 Pro. So this path will take to export the image. Okay, slash install dot vim. So once this is the given, click enter. So this will be exporting the index 6, which is Windows 11 Pro. That edition will be exported. Let's wait for some time to get completed. So the export is completed successfully now. Now let's verify both the exported file for Windows 10 and Windows 11 Pro. So we'll check the info of this both install for Windows 10 Pro and as well as Windows 11 Pro. Let's use the first command. Okay, use the first command, and the path will for Windows 10 Pro. To check this Windows 10 Pro, so right click, copy as path, remove the double quotes, give enter. So now once you done, you can able to see for Windows 10 Pro you will be seeing only one index number. So that is one which is Windows 10 Pro. Now let's check for Windows 11. Go for Windows 11, copy the path, remove this, instead of Windows 10 just mention Windows 11 Pro, install Vim. So now you can able to see the Windows index 1, only one we have which we exported, that is Windows 11 Pro. So for Windows 10 Pro install.vim we have one image exported, Windows 10 Pro. Similarly for Windows 11 Pro we have one edition exported, Windows 11 Pro. So let's combine these both Windows 10 and Windows 11 to single install.vim file, and then we'll ban into the ISO file into a single file. Use the source image. So the source image will be will take this particular thing. Okay, Windows 10 location, copy, paste up. So this is for Windows 10 and the source index will be x1. Okay, source index will be 1. So on the destination will be Windows 11, this one. Okay, so we have taken Windows 11 Pro install.vim. Okay, now give enter. So the export is taken, has been started now. So the operation is completed successfully. The image has been exported now. Let's check the Windows 11 Pro folder. So now you can able to see the install.vim file size has been increased from 4 GB to around 4 GB I think to 7.16 GB once we have combined the Windows 10 Pro and Windows 11 edition, 11 Pro edition. Okay, so now what we need to do, using this Vim file we need to create an ISO file. To create that, open any band software. So go to edit image file, select an image. So we'll select Windows 11 edition. Okay, give next. So here remove this search for install.vim. Okay, so remove this one, add the Windows 11 the 7 GB file install.vim to this particular location. Okay, once that is done, then give okay, we got the 7 GB file vim file. Give next Windows 10 and 11. Once I have given this, click create now. So this will start creating the image file, ISO image file. So you can able to see the progress adding boot.vim file. So the image creation has been finished successfully now. So once this is done, you can exit now. Use this particular ISO image to build an virtual machine. Okay. For that, I am going to use workstation, a VMware workstation. Go to File, New Virtual Machine. It's going to be typical. Will install the operating system later. It's going to Windows install. Okay. Next. So Windows 10. Windows 10-11. Okay, so let's browse. I'll expanding virtual machine. So Windows 10-11. So this folder I'll be selecting. Okay, this is the location I'm going to save my virtual machine. Let me give the same name, Windows 10-11. Okay, so virtual machine name. Give next. 60 GB, let it be 60 GB, no problem. Give next. Okay, finish. So once this is done, edit the virtual machine settings. Select the CD, select the ASA image which we have banned right now. So we'll be going to so this is the Windows 10-11 edition, which is 7.76 GB, which we have latestly banned. Okay, give open. Okay, I have given 2 GB. Okay, let me increase this one. 4 GB. Okay, I think this is enough. Give OK. Let's power on the virtual machine. So press any key to boot. So once that is done, we can able to see the boot menu. It's getting booted up now. Once this is booted up, we should see the two edition, that is Windows 10 and Windows 11 Pro. So once that we can able to confirm, we are good. Go to install now. Setup is starting. Don't have a key. So here you can able to see the operating system listed here: Windows 10 Pro and Windows 11 Pro and Windows 10 Pro 64-bit edition. Okay, the architecture you can able to see. So this is now we are good now. So using this we can able to either provision Windows 11 Pro or Windows 10 Pro. So if you do like if you do like my video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you. I'll come up with another video.